Welcome to Qi Gong, cleanse and ground. Right fist closed, left palm open, bow. Left leg comes out. You want to reach down, but keep your head up. Breathing in, breathing out as you push up. In through the nose, into the tummy, the lower dantian, out through the mouth. Your intention is to cleanse and clear your central energy channel. Any emotions, physical pain, bad energy situations that you just want to clear out your system. That is your intention. If you deep breathe, it's all very soft, very gentle. Move your feet in slightly, breathe in, reach up. As you breathe out your mouth, push down through your palms and send those roots beyond your feet, deep into the center of the earth. You really want to feel a slight resistance through your palms. It's like you're bringing down energy from the heavens, putting a force field around your body and sending your roots to ground you to the earth. And coming over each side. Again, feel that slight resistance as you push through your palms, a bit like your hands are going through water or mud. Keeping that intention of grounding, bringing in protection, stability, and being present here on this earth right now. Got 3 times on each side. Breathing in, reach up. Breathing out, push down, energy from the heavens through your body and grounded here at the earth. Reaching up again, gathering universal energy, bringing it down and holding it in front of and your palms over your lower dantian, allowing a gap for your breathing. You send energy from the universe right into your energy center. Clockwise massage in, store that energy for later. Sending your roots down to the earth, lifting up to the sky, being that clear channel between earth and sky. Clear channel between the two. Breathing out as you bring your palms down in front of your heart space. Where earth and sky energy meet in love in our heart center, in a beautiful golden light. Connecting with that golden light which is coming out from your heart fire. Beautiful, glowing, radiant fire. Connecting with feelings of peace, gratitude, joy, love. And sending this golden light and this feeling throughout your whole body to every single cell, every single thought. And then sending this light and sharing it with loved ones, family, friends, in this life and in spirit, and to the whole world. Right fist closed, left palm open, bow. Well done.